Hi traders, I've got an amazing opportunity for you. If you're trading forex, crypto, stocks or indexes, there's an incredible platform out there that'll take care of all your needs. And get this, they're offering a $5,000 deposit bonus plus 5% cashback on every single trade you make. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Alright, let's talk about the SimpleFX platform. If you're looking to improve your trading skills and boost your earnings, the SimpleFX is definitely worth checking out. Now let me walk you through the process of getting started with SimpleFX. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and explain everything so you know exactly what to do and how to claim the awesome bonus. Once you're in the platform, you'll notice a section on the left-hand side called Symbols. This is where you find a whole bunch of different trading options. To make things easier for you, the symbols are grouped into categories. You'll see things like favorite, crypto, forex, indices, communities, and metals, among others. Basically, this is your one-stop shop for finding all the different assets you can trade on the platform. So go ahead and explore the various categories to find the ones that best suits your trading style and interests. Keep in mind that the SimpleFX platform is designed to help you improve your trading skills, so don't be afraid to experiment with different symbols and categories to find the ones that works best for you. Let's explore the SimpleFX platform a bit more. When you're on the platform, you'll notice a handy search tool at the top left corner. This tool is there to help you find specific symbols quickly and easily. All you need to do is type in part of the symbol's name, and the search tool will show you a list of results. It's really time saver when you're looking for a specific asset to trade. Once you find the symbol you're looking for, just click on it and select Open Chart. This will bring up a detailed chart right in the center of the platform, giving you a clear view of the asset's performance and helping you make informed trading decisions. Let's explore the main part of the SimpleFX platform, where you'll find a live chart of your chosen asset and some handy indicators. Here you can analyze price movements and make informed trading decisions. Focusing on the top part of the chart, you'll notice several tools, including a time frame feature. This option lets you customize the chart's time frame according to the trading strategy. You can choose from a range of time frames spanning from 1 minute to 1 month. To better understand this, imagine you're analyzing Bitcoin chart and your trading approach is short term. In this case, you might select the 5-minute time frame, allowing you to closely monitor price movements and tailor your strategy accordingly. The next tool allows you to change the type of chart displayed, giving you a customized view of the market. Some of the chart types you can choose from include bars, candles, lines, areas, and baseline. For instance, if you're more familiar with candlestick charts, you can easily switch to the view and focus on the aspects that matters most to your trading strategy. Now, before we get into another useful feature of the SimpleFX platform, I've got a special deal for you. Sign up through the link in the video description and you'll snag a $5,000 deposit bonus plus 5% cashback on all your trades. Pretty sweet, right? Now let's talk about another useful feature on the SimpleFX platform. That's the ability to add indicators to your charts, helping you spot trends and make better trading decisions. Let's dive into how you can customize these indicators to fit your trading style. To get started, locate the F icon, which represents the indicators section. You can browse through the available indicators or search for a specific one by typing its name. For example, if you're looking for the MACD indicator, just type MACD and select it from the results. Once the MACD indicator is added to your chart, you can further customize it by clicking on the gear icon. Here you can adjust various parameters to fine-tune the indicator settings and make it more suitable for your trading strategy. Moving on to another essential part of the SimpleFX platform, let's take a look at the order list found below the chart. This section displays all your orders neatly categorized into open, pending, and closed orders. Keeping an eye out on your open orders allows you to monitor your active positions and make timely adjustments as needed. Meanwhile, the pending orders show your orders waiting to execute it once a specific price conditions are met. And finally, the close orders sections provides a historical view of all your past trades, which can be helpful in reviewing your performance and refining your trading strategies. Opening an order on the SimpleFX platform is a breeze. Let's explore one of the ways to do it: placing a market order directly from the chart. To get started, locate the buy or sell icon at the top left on the chart. Clicking on either of these icons will open a new order window where you can set up your trade. First, choose whether you want to buy or sell based on your trading strategy. Next, set the volume for your trade, which determines the size of your position. Now it is crucial to manage your risk by setting take profit and stop loss levels. These will help you protect your capital in case the market moves against you. And once you've got everything set up, click submit and your order will be placed. After opening the order, we'll see it displayed on the chart along with your stop loss and take profit levels. Plus, you can also track your open order in the open section at the bottom of the platform. Placing pending orders on SimpleFX is another handy way to manage your trades efficiently. Here's how you can do it using the platform's intuitive interface. One option is to click on the pair you're interested in and select New Order. Alternatively, you can find the New Order icon below the chart. Either way, a new order window will pop up. In this window, choose whether you want to buy or sell and then select Pending option. Now enter the size of your order and set the price at which you'd like the order to be executed. After that, to ensure your pending order doesn't stay open indefinitely, you can set an expiration date and time. This way, if the price doesn't reach your desired level by the specific time, the order will be automatically deleted. Finally, don't forget to set a stop loss and take profit levels for your pending order. So, once you've got everything configured, hit submit and your pending order will be placed on the chart. And here are two ways to close your open positions. First, you can close your trade directly from the chart. Simply look for the X icon on the buy or sell order shown on the chart and click it to close the position. Alternatively, head to the open section located below the chart. You'll find your open trades listed there. To close a trade, just locate the one you want to exit and click the X button. Both methods allow you to quickly and easily manage your open positions on SimpleFX. And as we continue exploring the SimpleFX platform, I want to share an exclusive offer for you. By signing up through the specific link provided in the video description, you'll not only get a fantastic $5,000 deposit bonus, but also enjoy a 5% cashback on all your trades. With these exclusive benefits, you'll have more opportunities to practice and refine your trading strategies on SimpleFX. Now let's explore some additional features on the right side of the platform. The SimpleFX platform has a lot more to offer. On the right side of the platform, you'll find several useful features to enhance your trading experience. One of these features is the economic calendar, which keeps you updated on oncoming economic events and indicators that could impact the financial markets. This information can help you make more informed trading decisions. You can also find the latest financial news and updates under the recent news section, along with insightful articles and analysis from SFX Insights. And if you prefer to stay updated through video content, you can check out the News TV section. Lastly, the Trading Ideas section provides you with ideas and inspiration for your next trades, helping you diversify your trading strategies. By exploring and utilizing these features on SimpleFX, you can stay well informed about market events and trends. And as we come to the end of this video, remember that getting started on the SimpleFX platform is just a few clicks away. By signing up through the special link provided in the video description, you'll not only get a fantastic $5,000 deposit bonus, but you also enjoy a 5% cashback on all your trades. Happy trading!